Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to solve question number 8 of exercise 1A. First of all, read the equation of question number 8. Simplify, bracket start, minus 13, curl bracket start, minus 13 minus bracket start minus 27 bracket close, and then the whole bracket, curl bracket close, plus curl bracket start minus 25 minus bracket start minus 40 bracket close, then curl bracket close. What we have to do with this equation? We have to simplify this equation. Simplify means we have to solve this equation. Understand? Now, by using the BODMAS method, you have to solve this equation. BODMAS method. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First of all, solve this bracket. There are two brackets, curl bracket and then simple bracket. First of all, solve this bracket. I am going to solve this equation. Question number 8, curl bracket start, minus 13 minus 27, curl bracket close, plus minus 25 minus 40. Solution. Bracket of, solve this bracket, these brackets, curl bracket start minus 13 minus plus 27, curl bracket close, plus curl bracket start minus 25 minus plus 40, then curl bracket close. Now solve this bracket, or you can solve these addition subtraction in the bracket. Okay, first of all, solve this bracket. Plus minus, it means we have to subtract 13 from 27, bracket start, 27 minus 13, 14, positive. Why? Because 27 is greater than 13 and its sign is a plus. Now plus bracket start, plus minus 25 minus 40, 15, positive because 40 is greater than 25 and the sign of 40 is a plus, positive. Now open these brackets, 14 plus 15, and solve this addition of 14 and 15, 29. What is the answer of question number 8 is 29. Okay. Now read the equation of question number 9. Find 36 minus bracket start minus 64 bracket close and bracket start minus 64 bracket close minus 36. Are they equal? First of all, find this and this. It means we have to solve this equation and this equation. Then after that we have to prove that they are equal. Both the equations are equal or not. Okay, first of all solve this equation and after that solve this equation. Question number 9. I had done these questions. 36 minus bracket start 64 bracket close is equal to 36. Now minus open this bracket. Okay, now we are going to open this bracket, minus plus. Okay, because minus plus. Okay, Do you remember these rules? Okay, now these rules are very important for these questions. Okay, minus minus plus 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Okay, by solving this equation we got 100. Now minus 64 in the bracket minus 36, open this bracket, minus 64 minus 36. Now minus minus plus, it means 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. This sign is negative. Why? Because 64 is a negative number and it is greater than 36. Okay, now by solving this equation we got 100. By solving this equation we got minus 100. It's a positive 100 and it's a minus negative 100. Okay, so no, both are not equal. Okay, or you can write it as a, are they equal? Okay, no, they are not equal. Okay, both are not equal because 100 is positive here and 100 is negative. It's a sign of not equal. Okay, this sign is not equal. Okay, it is a sign for not equal. Okay, 100 is not equal to minus 100. Now next question number 10, equation. If A is equal to minus 8, B is equal to minus 7 and C is equal to 6. Verify that A plus B is in the bracket plus C is equal to A plus bracket start B plus C bracket close. The values of A, B and C are given. Okay, now this equation, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, this equation is also given. We have to verify that this equation is equal to this equation. Okay, now we are going to solve this question. What is given? A, B and C. Value of A, B and C. Now put the values of A, B and C in these equations. Okay, what is the value of A? Minus 8. Value of B? Minus 7. Okay, now put the value of B minus 7 in bracket. Why? Because it is a negative number. Okay, bracket close, plus 6. C 6. A minus 8 plus B plus C. B minus 7 plus C plus 6. Now open this bracket, plus minus minus. Okay, plus 6 minus 8. Now solve this bracket, plus minus 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 7. Okay, minus 7 plus 6. Okay, minus 1. Why? Because 7 is greater than 6 and the sign will minus. Now solve this bracket, minus minus plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 and this sign will positive. Why? Because 8 is greater than 7 and its sign is a negative. Plus 6 is equal to 8 plus minus minus. Okay, why? Because plus minus is equal to minus. Now plus minus minus 15 minus 6 9. 9 is minus. Okay, minus minus plus minus 9, both are equal. Okay, we have to verify this equation is equal to this equation. Now hence proved, minus 9 is equal to minus 9. It means this equation is equal to this equation. It is true, both are equal. Okay, question number 11. If A is equal to minus 9 and B is equal to minus 6, show that A minus B is not equal to. This sign indicates not equal to, okay, bracket start minus b minus a. Okay, now in the question number 11, given values of a and b is minus 9 and minus 6. Okay, put these values in this equation. Okay, in this equation, a minus 9, b minus 6. It's a minus 6, so put this number in the bracket. Okay, is not equal to, okay, minus 6 minus 9. Now open this bracket, minus plus 6, not equal to minus 6 minus plus. Okay, now solve this bracket and this bracket. Plus minus 9 minus 6, 3 negative. Why? Because 9 is greater than 6 and it is a negative number. 3, both are not equal to, okay, hence proved. Question number 12, the sum of two integers is minus 16. Okay, the sum of two integers is minus 16. Two integers, you can take any two numbers, a or b, x or y. Okay, the sum of two integers is minus 16. If one of them is 53, find the other. First of all, understand the equation. Okay, the sum of two integers, is minus 16 if one of them is 53. Find the other. Okay, question number 12, one integer given is 53. Okay, sum of two integers a and b. Okay, a and b. I'm going to solve this equation in this video, question in this video. We have two integers. Okay, let a and b. Okay, these are two integers. Okay, the sum of two integers is minus 16. Okay, sum of this integer and this integer is minus 16. Okay, now if one of them is 53, one of them in the two integers, okay, you can take the value of a or b is the 53. One of them is 53. A is equal to 53 given. Okay, and find the other. We have to find the other integer, meaning b. Okay, 53 plus b is equal to minus 16. Now b is equal to minus 16. This positive 53 is going to negative minus 53. Okay, now b is equal to minus plus. Okay, it means we are going to add 53 in 16. 53 and 16 add. Minus plus. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. And the sign will positive. Why? Because 53 is greater than 16 and the sign of 53 is a negative. Okay, the other integer is minus 69. Answer done. Now the next, you have to try to solve this question number 13. The sum of two integers is 65 if the one of them is minus 31, point the other. Okay, it is same as it is the question number 12. Okay, you have to try it yourself. Okay, and also revise, write on your fair copies and revise these questions number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and your homework is solve question number 13. Okay, thank you student.